What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox error code 9982. So let's get right into this. So the first and foremost thing you should do is go to your the cog at the top, and click into it and click into log out. Basically clicking into your settings and logging out of your account and then logging back in. A lot of times this usually fixes a lot of these like network issues or like disconnected issues or being kicked out issues that you may be having. So try that out and see if that fixes it for you. You want to do this here and Roblox Studio as well, right? So both spots. The next thing you want to do, if that doesn't fix it, is basically go to your search bar and type in network connections until you see this pop up. Right click into either Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whatever you're connected into, and then go to properties. Click into Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. In here, click into where it says use the following DNS server addresses, and then basically put in 1.1.1.1 and alternate as 1.0.0.1. Press OK, press close, restart your computer, turn Roblox back on, and you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please smash that like and up. Guys in the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm Tutorials out. Peace.